Are you looking for country living, a country home, yet 5 minutes away from Windsor, Colorado? So that's just a short drive to all the parks, trails, lakes, restaurants, all the amenities of beautiful Windsor, Colorado. But yet with the country vibe. This home has been updated and expanded on from originally about 1,000 square feet to now just shy of 1,700 square feet. And it's got a detached garage shop with a workspace above it. This was the original garage that the seller custom updated to be a great room with a wood-burning stove. What I love about this ranch-style home is that it just flows from one room to the next, and it feels like home. Let's take a look. The seller actually dug out the cellar. How cool! This is the workshop above the detached workshop / garage. The seller put in these doors here so that you can easily load stuff in with a forklift. How convenient. This is where the seller kept his beehives. He was a beekeeper. And over here is 3/4 of an acre that you could use for a farm, a barn, or a massive shop. You choose.